Hello everyone, my name is Carlos from Rhode on telephone, and today we're going to go over conference calling on the Avaya phone system. So the Avaya, in what they call basic mode, allows you to do a conference call, which is pretty easy. You can have up to 3 parties, either yourself in the office and 2 external parties, or 2 individuals in the office with 1 external party. So if you're on a phone call with a client and you either made the call or received the call, on the Avaya phone, some of them have the conference logo right here, and some of them just have 3 handsets. That's the conference button. So when you're on the phone, to add another individual, either from external or internal, you hit the conference button. Now if it's somebody internally, you would just dial their extension, and when they pick up the receiver, you would just hit conference again, and they're all added to the conference. And if it's someone from outside, you would do the same thing basically. You would put your first call in conference, which would hit the button, then you would dial another person outside. When that person picked up, you hit conference again.